Okay, we're back at it. So instead of doing a full door skin, we're gonna end up doing a half, and I just wanna show you guys how much coverage. So we're gonna have one kit here, one kit here, one kit here. 3. But our halves are only gonna be from here down. So I'm gonna start at the bottom like I always do, and everyone, well, one of our most popular kits, and probably will be forever, is, woo, all black. Holy crap, I almost fell on my face. So I already did all the cleaning, and actually we just removed a kit to be able to put this kit on. I use this window right here, or this speaker, as like my set point. I just work my way around. Feed that in, feed that over, feed that down. Always do your door skin installs. Whoa. With a heat gun. This portion down here, I'm just gonna warm up a little bit. Just to make sure it reaches around that edge nicely. I freaking love this vinyl. Huh? Ow. Then what we're gonna do, the next most important portion is right here. Ugh. I'm gonna lock it in right here. Slide that over. Lock that in. Lock that in. Lock that in. Might be needing to add a little bit of heat. But man, you can see all the dog hair and crap that has been in this car. Okay, so this is one of the most important pieces right here. You're gonna want to heat this edge up, and you want to pull it and tack it, and then heat it. And you can see it retracts a little bit, but it also covers the whole edge. Then over here, I'm gonna push all that flat over the edge. We're gonna heat up this edge right here. Tack that. Then here on the back side, you can see that we have a little bit of material back here that can go down. Gonna heat it up a little bit just to like pre-shrink it. Tack it there, and then I'm gonna squeegee it flat. Boom. Cash, I like it. Next is this lower portion. Put this lower section down and scoot it all the way over to the outside. So basically I tacked it right before the bottom of it here. And and then I push it all the way that way right before it starts to curve up. And that's the perfect placement for this piece. Don't forget to post heat. Okay, next is that piece. Yep, this piece here, we're gonna bring it right up to the edge. Maybe 1/8 or 1/16 off of the edge. Tack it there. We're gonna run our finger across the top, like that. And we're gonna pull down on it just a little bit. Squeegee from the middle out. And then, like I said, you can literally tack this upper section up to here. You can see we got a little extra material here, here. All this stuff can be pressed down pretty easily right here. Even coming down through here. And then these portions I would leave out just a little bit, so that with a little bit of heat, like that, okay. Next is this little portion here. Oh, that piece is too easy. Okay, then this is going to be our last piece for the half door. And the reason when we made the half door here is that this is about the height of your pocket when you're getting in and out of a vehicle. And that's kind of what inspired us to offer the half kit up this high, is for people that are working, got stuff in their belts, kids, tools, loading stuff in the truck, all of that. On these ends over here, I always pull and stretch around the edge so that when you heat it, it'll like grab it. Pull this down, pull this over, down, over, and tack. I'm gonna heat up these ends. Pull this down and over. Damn, looks good. Okay, and that's our half door. Here, down. You can get them in plain black like this, or you can get them in all of our different colorways, colors, options, patterns that we offer as well. So if you're ready to protect your investment, your vehicle from here down, go check out our door skins. It's one of the best, cheapest options for protecting your door cards that cost hundreds of dollars to replace. So if you got questions about these kits or about future kits that we're releasing, email us at support@tacovinyl.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comments. We get to them all. We'll see you guys on the next video.